In today's episode of 1-800-WIFE-ME, we're gonna be cooking again. We're cooking. It's the way to a man's heart. It's through your curves in his stomach. Just kidding. But all that's in this pot is some olive oil and 1 onion and some ground beef. I didn't think y'all wanted to see me cut no onion up again, so like I said, onion, olive oil, ground beef. It's almost brown. This, I don't know what this is. Comino molido. I be trying to use something else instead. I think is, I don't know. I think it was cumin. It was cumin that I really needed, and I did have it. Cumin. I don't know how to say the word. Cumin or cumin. And I didn't use it. I couldn't find it. I did have it, but I couldn't find it because I had so many seasonings. But I used this instead. Whatever this is, it's like it just gives food the Mexican flavor. Like if you just need Mexican flavor in your food, this got it. I'm gonna put in half of this bag of noodles. It said I only need 8 ounces. This 16. So I'm gonna use half of this bag of shells. Once this boil, I'm gonna put the shells in there, leave it in there for 10 minutes, and be back. On this end of things, we're gonna have me doing the dishes, and I never do my dishes on camera, but I always do my dishes while I cook. And I'm currently doing MCAT studying. Not to remind you, it's like 11:40 at night. But yeah, I'm studying for my MCAT, so while I'm cooking, I've been studying since like 5 today. I took a break to get groceries, but yeah, I'm finna wash these dishes and watch this video at the same time. Till that's done.
To remember for our MCAT, the first phase of HON helps to relay information from the spinal cord to the appropriate part of the brain, and it also regulates sleep. It's nice to remember that we prepare HON the medulla oblongata.
Oh, I forgot y'all always watch me eat. Y'all wanna see me eat, bro? Taste this shit for y'all. Alright. Here goes nothing. Let's go. It might be used a bit more seasoning, ask me. Let me see. It's good. But I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching me cook. I'm gonna head back to my videos. Bye-bye.